Hi there guys and gals. Yes, as you can see, I put some air. I'm putting some air on my fire because I'm on my way going to Bicol afterwards. But I have to eat first. Push it, I'm gonna push it. Push it. Work. Gotta work. Harder. That's why when I driving going here in Santa Lucia, I can't have the acceleration that kind of fast. That's why it's a little bit flat. Not totally flat, just a little. Love my back. Order. Come on. Exercise. There you are. Then I'm gonna put this one, the cover. I bought this. Oh my gosh. Okay, I thought it's not fit. But for now, Happy New Year.